Hello everyone, this is Rami Safdar and today we are going to make admin panel. So what does an admin panel look like and what it is? So this is what a basic admin panel look like. You can add changes to it if you want. You can design it as per your requirement or your need, but this is the most basic one. Um, what is an admin panel? So if you make a website and you don't want to code again and again to add data to maintain the website, for such purposes we make admin panel. Definitely it's using HTML and CSS for the basic design, but for the working, for like adding data or deleting and etc., you gotta do PHP in this. PHP with MySQL. I'm not gonna do PHP in this tutorial. I'm just gonna make a simple structure as you can see in front of you, but in the next tutorial, hopefully inshallah, I will be integrating PHP into the structure. So let's get started. I'm gonna go into WAMP www, and I'm gonna make a new folder right there. I'm gonna name it as let's say study. I'm gonna make a text file in here, text document. I'm gonna name it code. You can name it anything, and I'm gonna save it as index.php. You can use HTML and make sure the save type is all files so that it doesn't save it as text file. You can use any text editor, but I prefer Notepad++. Alright, I'm gonna make a basic structure right there. HTML. I'm gonna say head, close head, say body, and let's close body. Alright, I'm gonna say tile, admin, panel, and tile. I'm gonna say localhost, sorry, study. And alright, you can see admin panel is loaded. Now I'm gonna make, now I have three portions, this one, and this one. So I'm gonna make three portions right here. I'm gonna make three divs, div id and close div. I'm gonna just copy and paste. I'm gonna name this as header. You can say sidebar, and you can say data. I'm gonna go to, I do prefer external style sheets, but for sake of ease and learning, I'm gonna use styles right here. Alright. I'm gonna go to, sorry, header. Let's say width be 100% and height be 120 pixels and background be black and text color be white. Alright, let's see if it's working. Alright, it's working. So now I'm gonna make sidebar. I'm gonna say sidebar. Let's say width be 300 pixels, height be 400 pixels, and background be color be black. It's black by default, sorry. For background colors and other colors, you can go to materialui.co. It's a great website. I like it. Flat UI colors. And let's say I'm gonna use this one. Alright, let's see if it's working. Yes, it is. Now I'm gonna make the data portion. I'm gonna say data. Let's say height be 700 pixels and background be like this one, and background be this. So let's see if it's working. Alright, it's working, but it's not here where it should be. I need it to be here where the white space is. So I'm gonna just say float left, and there you see it's gonna go. Alright, it's working perfect now. You can move this green portion to the right, just say float right, and you see it's on right. But I prefer left, so I'm gonna say left. Alright, let's add some data. I'm gonna go to, I had another phone, and I've got this icon. I'm gonna copy this to study admin underscore icon. I'm gonna go to header. I'm gonna say img src admin underscore icon dot png alt is equal to admin logo, and I'm gonna just place this in center. And let's see how is it. Alright, I cannot see because it was black in color, so I'm gonna just give it an ID admin logo. I'm gonna say admin logo background be white, border radius. Let me just show you first this way. Alright, you can see, but it doesn't look very nice, so I'm gonna say border radius. So just border radius 50 pixels. Sorry for those weird sounds at the back. Someone's passing through the street. I don't know who is it. Border radius 50 pixels. You can say like this is admin panel. Please proceed with caution. And see. Alright, this looks pretty nice. I'm gonna add data right in the sidebar. I'm gonna say UL, close UL. I'm gonna say li, and I'm gonna copy and paste this. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Alright, I'm gonna say like add data, delete data, update data, and like say developer. Alright, so this is here, but it doesn't look very nice, so I'm gonna just go and say ULLI padding 20 pixels, and there it is. It looks pretty nice now. I'm gonna say border bottom one, let's say 2 pixels, solid gray, and there it is. It looks pretty fine now. Now I can add something like ahref is equal to https www.facebook.com/ramiz, sorry, ramiz dot my two, I know names a little weird, second name especially. I'm gonna say target underscore blank. Now I'm gonna close it right here, and let's do a little style. I do not prefer inline styling, but for sake of ease I'm just doing it right here. Color be white, and background text decoration none. Alright, let's see if it works. Yes, it's working. Alright, color was not white, I'm gonna just say it's black. Alright, this is done. So next thing we're gonna do is come on, color black. Next thing we're gonna do is we can add data, but first of all I'm gonna add this beautiful kind of thing right here. So I'm just gonna go ULLI colon hover, and I'm gonna say background be like this one, look nice, and color be white. And now when I refresh it, you can see this is pretty nice. You can remove these dots by simple CSS. It's not difficult, but I like these right here, so I'm just not gonna remove them. You can add as much as you want, and you can add data. Like I'm gonna add a little for you right here. I'm gonna say let's say h3 hello, this is Ramiz software at YouTube, and I am going to integrate. Alright, this is not too much for a header. I'm gonna say h3, I'm gonna say and say f5. Oh, there's a problem. So we got a problem here. I don't want this white line, but I've got this, so I'm gonna just remove it real quick. I'm gonna say break, and there it is. It's removed. You can move it to center if you want. Like I'm gonna move it right it to center, and it's hello. And now I'm gonna say in a this is Ramiz and I am making a simple admin panel from scratch, and I am going to integrate PHP in the next tutorial, inshallah. So you see, this looks fine. You can change stuff like I'm gonna say data, and color be white, font family be Helvetica, and font size be like say 25 pixels. So this looks pretty good now. So this was for today. I hope you understand it, and if you liked it, if you understood, kindly subscribe, hit like, and share it. So I'm gonna integrate PHP in the next tutorial, inshallah, hopefully. Till then, take care, stay blessed, have a good day.